If you want the ultimate tool watch and luxury dive watch for only $6,000, look no further than the Tudor Pelagos. I also believe that this is the best ever watch made by the Tudor company, and for a variety of reasons. Before I get into this review, make sure you please like this video and subscribe to join my growing channel and to see more similar watch related content. Without further ado, let's have a deeper look at the Tudor Pelagos. It has a beefy 42mm case, which definitely gives off some serious wrist presence, but still is a perfectly normal and modern size for a classic dive watch. It has a 22mm lug width, which works well and is properly proportioned to the case's 50mm lug-to-lug measurement. This piece is fairly chunky, however, with a 14.3mm thickness, but for the specs and purpose, this is nothing to really frown upon. What really makes this Tudor the best of a kind and is so darn special is its full titanium build, which covers the case and bracelet. There are a wide range of benefits from a titanium watch, such as a drastically lighter weight, meaning the Pelagos is not heavy on the wrist, and it also makes the watch much stronger compared to stainless steel. Also, since this is a proper dive watch, titanium does not corrode from salt water or salt air, meaning it will definitely last longer than a standard stainless steel case. However, most titanium watches do scratch easier, meaning it may not look as clean and sleek after a few years of fair use. The bezel is also special as it is a mix of titanium and ceramic. This is the best of both worlds, as the titanium bezel structure is lightweight and strong, but the ceramic cover means it is scratch resistant and very durable. There is also white luminescent paint on the minute markers, which adds to its illegibility in the dark. It really is the perfect bezel. Another key piece to this masterpiece is the beautiful blue dial that is absolutely stunning. In a bright matte blue, it is very recognizable and amazing to look at. This model also comes in a classy matte black, which is more versatile but equally good looking. This is also a great alternative for those who like the Rolex Submariner and that traditional dive watch style. Another thing I love about the dial is the hand and hour marker combination. The classic Tudor snowflake hour hand works perfectly with the square indices and allows for great legibility for diving and everyday use. An additional cool contraption on the case is the addition of a helium escape valve. This is used to excrete helium that may enter the case. A date complication is also present, which adds to Tudor's practicality and provides it with a tool watch status. Behind the dial is also a masterpiece of a Swiss movement, which is designed to be sturdy, reliable and practical. Tudor have used their in-house caliber MT5612, which is an automatic movement. This boasts some pretty impressive stats, which includes a 70-hour power reserve, which is on par with its cousin, the Rolex Submariner. It is also a chronometer certified watch, meaning the movement loses less than 10 seconds per day. This is a fair accomplishment. The bracelet is also very cool with its titanium construction, but also due to its clasp adjustment feature. This allows a wide range of micro adjustments that is perfect for when you don't want to add or remove a link when your wrist changes size. It is on the outside of the clasp, which gives this piece a cool industrial feel. The bracelet is not the only strap option on the Pelagos, as there is an option for a rubber strap. The cool thing about the strap is that it has a titanium link on the end, which means it transitions nicely from metal to rubber. Some additional specifications include a very impressive 500 meters of water resistance, which is great for a watch of this caliber and price. It beats the competition out of the water, no pun intended, as the Omega Seamaster Professional and Rolex Submariner both only have 300 meters of water resistance. A sapphire crystal is also present on this piece, which is expected and will do the job nicely. Well, for 6,200 Australian dollars, I believe the Tudor Pelagos is an absolutely amazing watch for the value and is the perfect tool watch for under $10,000. Click the video on the screen right now to see a battle between the Tudor Black Bay 58 and the Rolex Submariner. Also, click the other video on the screen right now to see more watch related content.